Hi, I'm Monica. Welcome to my Caravan cooking series in association with Bailey of Bristol. We're in this beautiful Bailey of Bristol Unicorn Barcelona, which is just stunning. Fabulous kitchen, lots and lots of space. I'm going to be doing some comfort food, a set of 6 recipes, all cooked in this gorgeous, comfortable caravan. So this morning I'm going to make chicken tartiflette, which is the most comforting, delicious dish. Very popular on the ski slopes because it's very creamy, it's delicious. So I've sliced some potatoes. I'm just going to turn them off, so I'm just going to leave them. They're very happy there. I've just simply softened them. And I'm going to start by frying some onions. So we're going to get some onions going. I cubed up some bacon. This is actually streaky bacon, but you can use smoked bacon or bacon back. And I also cubed up a little bit of chicken. This is chicken breast. It's a 1-pot dish. So once you've got it in the oven, it's all in one. I'm going to put a bit of garlic in. There we go. In that goes. I've got some spinach here, which I'm just going to wash. I'm going to add my washed spinach. So I'm just going to tip that in and let it wilt. There we go. Just drain those. They've kept their shape, but they're nicely cooked. So here it is, the spinach is just starting to wilt. What you want, a layer of potatoes, then you're going to have your lovely chicken, bacon, spinach mix. Then you're going to have a few more potatoes, and then the second half of this. So it's almost like how you make a lasagna. And I'm going to add a little bit of white wine. And I'll just start layering these. So you literally layer the potatoes in the bottom. Like that. Then I'm going to add a spoonful of flour just to sort of thickens up slightly. You don't need very much, but you just want a little bit. You can see the spinach is wilted right down now. I'm going to put a tiny little bit of nutmeg because I love nutmeg and spinach. I think it's a really winning combo. So just a nice. And I'm going to put a tiny bit of stock in. Don't want much. And a little bit of cream. So very healthy, this dish. And we just need to really let that simmer now for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to layer it up and make our chicken tartiflette. Okay, so you can see that this is getting nice and thick now. It's thickening up, the chicken is all cooked, the spinach is wilted, and so we are ready to layer up, which is lovely. So we've got our first layer of potatoes, and then you want to spoon over your lovely creamy mixture. This dish is a real favourite with the chalet girls because the skiers come in starving, and it's a really nice, creamy, hearty dish. So I'm just putting a few potatoes on. Then I'm getting this lovely cheese, which is called Reblochon, and it's really nice. It's actually a cheese that you're meant to use in one of those fondue things. I use the rind as well because the rind is the tasty bit. Putting the rest of this mixture on. There we go. Look at that. Doesn't that look lovely? Finish it off with some potatoes and you push them down so they get covered. Just gives like a nice little topping, and these will be a little bit crispy. More oven. And actually, what you can do is you could make it and leave it at this point if you wanted to, and then come back later and just pop it in the oven if you want to make it in the morning to have in the evening. And the cheese on the top also gives it a nice crispiness when it melts. So I'm going to pop that in the oven now. So look, I preheated my oven, so in it goes. That's it, that one's done.